students, welcome to Sumaya English Primary School, class 6, and the subject is English. And the chapter is 2.6 and the name of the chapter is Advise Customers. Now we will see what is advise customers means. The chapter is all about how smart we are as customers in choosing the things or commodities that we buy from the market, and how advertisements sometimes leads us. You must have seen ads, that is advertisement on TVs and in many other places. Advertisement are given by the owners of the different companies to tell people about the products. Their aim is to meet people and buy the products. So the advertisements are planning in such a way that people are impressed when they see them. They feel like buying the products, and that is what the owners want. But is the advice in the ad always good for you? You must think about it carefully. You must act like a wise customer and decide what to buy and how much to buy what to buy and how much to buy. So here is an example of a snacks of crispy crunchy advertisement of snack. So the ad says that if you are feeling happy, it means he should have crispy crunchy. In the same way, when you are sad, you should have crispy crunchy. See the example it is given. When you are feeling tired, then also you should take this crispy crunchy. And when you lost the match, then also you have to take this snacks, that is a crispy crunchy. And when you won the cup also, then also you have to take the snacks, that is a crispy crunchy. Means in any feelings, in any things it is that's a ad, it is saying that you have to take the crispy crunchy, that is day or night, now and then, for you and me, for everything, for every time there is a crispy crunchy. So the ad says that whatever be the situation, you should keep having crispy crunchy. But do you think that it is good for your health? That is up to you. So being a smart customer, we should see anything we are buying, that is eatables products or daily use products, we should give it a through look. Always whenever we are buying any products, any things we are buying, we have to go through it, that what are the contents of the items first of all. Then we should check the MRP and expiry date before buying the product. So being smart customers, we should look all these things, then only we should buy the product. So here is some example also, picturization you can see. There is a different types of advertising. We can see the print advertising also in the boards or in the roads also, digital advertisement, mobile advertising. Many different types of advertising method is there, which the company, the owners of the company give their ads through this types of advertisement method. I hope so all the points are clear. Thank you.